What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So you guys need to watch this video before you decide to sell any XRP. Now, I know there's probably already people that have made these moves as you've seen it go up to a level of $2.90, decrease down to $2.30, increase back up to $2.70. And now we're seeing it down, 4% on the day. We're going to go over where XRP is. We're going to go over the reason why I'm bringing you this video, because I think it's insanely important for you guys to understand. But before we get started, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out my link for Patreon, my link for Twitter, and I have a special link if you guys want to sign up for BTCC. If you use my link, you'll get a 10% deposit bonus and also an extra $10,000, extra bonuses of up to $10,000 and 40% lower trading fees. You can also leverage trade up to 500x leverage. Now, there are a lot of risks with leverage trading that I think you guys need to fully understand before you dive into this, but definitely check out my link if you're interested in leverage trading. Like today, I just took some profit from Jasmy Coin. If I go over to transactions daily, I took a profit from Jasmy Coin of $388, and that was off of a $100 investment overall, and I still have some that's left on the table. I have $190 that I have gains, and that's off of $20. I took about 80% of my overall investment that I put in there. $80 and left $20 in there plus the 190. So feel free to check out my link down below if you guys are interested in leverage trading. But what we're talking about in this video is referring to XRP, because right now we're seeing definitely some interesting price movement, right? We've seen billions of dollars that have gone through XRP. In the last 24 hours, we have $21.3 billion. Yesterday, you were sitting around $50 billion worth of volume in one day. That's up in the Ethereum and Bitcoin like ranges, right? You're looking at Bitcoin 60 billion. You look at Ethereum 47 billion. XRP's at $21 billion that has gone through this position. So it's definitely, there's definitely some back and forth. People are selling, people are buying. But I think you need to understand this. There are two types of people that are buying into XRP. The one type of person that's buying into XRP is the person that's looking for the short-term pump, the short-term gain, and looking for this to skyrocket immediately, right? They bought it maybe later in life. They didn't really buy it early. They bought it later, and they're looking for that massive pump and get on the train with everybody else that's kind of talking about it. Then you have the people that are looking to buy into it long-term. And I think if you haven't established a position or you're not establishing a position long-term, then you are essentially risking a lot by doing that short-term move. And here's what you can see from that. If you go into XRP and you look at the movement that we've seen more recently in the last day, the fluctuation is crazy. From $2.60, almost $2.70, all the way down to $2.50, back up to $2 and almost 70, and then back down to where it is today at $2.44. The fluctuation is going to be crazy because of how much movement we've seen, and we're not going to consistently see, $40 billion, $50 billion worth of volume. We're going to see some down days, and when we do see those down days after a larger increase, you're going to see some major fluctuation. So depending on what XRP you do have, right? It's currently sitting at a $140 billion market cap. Again, $21 billion worth of volume at a $2.44 price. The reason why I'm bringing you this video is because there are so many people that have yet to understand that when you're investing into crypto, you have to establish an exit plan. And this is what this video is all about, is establishing an exit plan. And then later on, maybe in a video later today, I'll go through what my complete exit plan is, and I'll kind of reiterate that as we get into the end of it. I'll go through exactly what my complete exit plan is, and hopefully you guys can get an understanding of exactly what you could do. But having XRP for the long term, when you see these larger increases, let's say you bought at 50 cents and you see this larger increase that goes up to $1, $2. Now you're getting a ton of questions, or at least I am, where they're like, I bought at 50 cents. What do I do now? Do I sell everything? Do I hold? Do I buy more? What do I do? And to tell you the truth, I'm not going to give you an answer to that. The only thing I'm going to say is that you guys need to establish these exit plans before you even see these pumps happening. Because when the pumps happen, you're going to be looking to sell immediately and gain this short-term profit and time the market, which is okay. If you want to do that, then do it, take your profit, go on about your day. But 9 times out of 10, the person that took that profit will say this exact phrase: I wish I would have held on to the XRP when it was down at $2.50. I wish I would have held on to that XRP when it was at $3, because now it's sitting at a value of 100 or 200 or 1,000. So the way to get away from this, instead of just selling everything that you own, the way to get away from this is to establish an exit plan. Now, lucky for you, I have a spreadsheet that I built, a very simple spreadsheet, not crazy. I have it over on my Patreon where it factors in a bunch of different cryptocurrencies, not just one, but you'll be able to go through many, and you can also use that template for something that you have, right? That you have invested into outside of the positions that I have here. This is my exit plan spreadsheet Excel file. Now with this, all you would see is the price. You would see the starting coin count and how much you do have, unrealized gains, the coins that are sold, realized gains, and market cap. All you need to do is fill out this part, however many coins you have. I have 200,000, however many coins you have, and then you would basically say, all right, when do I want to sell? When do I want to sell all of it? And it will give you a sense of different levels of when you can sell at and how far you believe in it. Now, it won't factor in the ups and downs that you do see there. It's only based on price. So if you believe that it's going to a level of $3 to $5 to $10 to $20, you want to have different selling points at different significant levels. So for me, at $5, I do plan to take about 25% of my overall investment into it. That's a lot, right? For some people, they don't have 50,000 coins. But I am going to take about 50,000 coins, which will give me $250,000, giving me my initial investment plus like $70,000 worth of profit, because I did reinvest more money in there. So it would give me a decent amount of profit overall, and I would be very happy with that. It would give me a good amount of profit. I don't think it would be $70,000 worth of profit, but it would cover my initial investment, and it would definitely give me a decent amount of profit after that. Now, I haven't fully established my newer exit plan since I gathered the 200,000 coins, so I'm not going to take you through that, but this is what you can do. The reason why you would buy or you would sell at these levels or sell some at these levels, even though you believe it's going to go to $100 or $1,000 or $10,000 or $18,000, is because it helps you feel comfortable about what you're holding. Right? When you take a little bit of gains, when you take a little bit of something and now you can do something with that money and reinvest it into different places, that makes you feel better about what you're holding because you already took some profit. You know, yes, you didn't take the entire thing, but you already took some profit, which makes you feel amazing about what you are holding going forward. So if it does come back down from $5 down to $3, you can either say, all right, I want to take some of this 250,000 and reinvest it at a level of $3, or I want to buy the same amount that I had at a level of $3. It's going to cost you a lot less because if you have 50,000, right, it's going to cost you 150,000, meaning that you could pocket 100,000. Yes, for me, that would mean that I'm still into my initial investment, but I'm also getting my 50,000 back for cheaper if I wanted to do that. So it gives you the opportunity to buy lower. It gives you the opportunity to be happy about what you're holding, and it gives you the opportunity about seeing the growth in what you have left. So hands down, you need an exit plan, right? If you haven't established one yet, if you just got into cryptocurrency or if you just got into XRP, you need to establish an exit plan. Whether you use my spreadsheet or not, establish one. Say, at this level I'm selling, at this level I'm selling this much, at this level I'm selling this much. That's basically what you need to do. So hopefully you guys got that, and hopefully you guys have established this beforehand because I've mentioned this plenty of times. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell for more of these videos. We are seeing XRP drop a little bit today, so it may be at a little bit of a discount for some people if you're looking to buy it. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.